It's okay, Dusty. Johnny, careful. There you are, little honey hen. Dusty. What are you doing, little Silky? Johnny, are you gonna come? Johnny. Johnny. Oh, there you are, Ready Rooster. There you go, Ready. Hendra's here now. Okay, Hendra. It's okay, Hendra. Is that a white rabbit? Y'all can see that between my 2 turkeys. 3 turkeys, I should say. Where'd my little Jake go? Right there. My Jake. Rambo. Ready? Aw, there you are, Camo. Give me a second, guys. Oh my gosh, careful, guys. Careful, hey. I'll hatch these. I hatched all of these Easter Islanders in the incubator this summer. Dusty, come on, up here, Dusty. My gosh, careful, you guys. Oh, there's Timothy, that red rooster. It's okay, this is Camo. It's my little olive acre. Another Easter Islander. Little Australorp. Yeah, the Easter Islander that just walked away was Brownie. And it's a little Lorpy Lorp. Timothy. Johnny. There you are. Hey! Stop it. You're attacking. Honey hen. There you go. You're gonna have to rest. Camel. Hey! What was that, Johnny? My gosh, y'all are being vicious. You want some food? There you are, Ready Rooster. There's Rocky Road, my Barred Rock. Timothy's a Rhodon Red. It's an Australorp. And then that's a Silky walking through the back Easter egger down there. Then what just came is that olive egger, Silky. Looks like the mini lop. 3 bronze turkeys. Lucy back there, a Barred Rock. This is Rocky Road, a Barred Rock. That is Red, my Rhode Island Red. That's my little Jake that I had as a chick. Silky. Here. Oh, you guys are done? You're done? You done? No more?